Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kori Nicole. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. So today's video is really special because today is my mom's birthday and I'm so excited to celebrate with her. I'm kind of, hopping in on these plans a little bit last minute, so I wasn't really prepared today. I thought that I was going to be, doing something for her this upcoming week, next week actually, because we're just so busy and her and my dad are actually going on a little vacation for a day or two. They're gonna be taking a trip. So I'm like, yeah, I thought that we were going to be having to celebrate next week, but I'm actually gonna be able to see her today on her actual birthday and celebrate with her. So, it's kind of like a bummer a little bit because we had planned on doing big things this year. It's a milestone birthday for her and we just can't do everything that she initially wanted to do because of this pandemic, and she wants to be very cautious and very safe. So I just felt kind of bad because when you want to do something and you can't do it, it's just really frustrating, and we just all have to accept it, I guess. I know a lot of people are traveling right now, but to each his own. Like, make decisions for yourself. We don't want to travel too far or anything. They're actually going to Savannah for the weekend, and I just think that's really fun because it's close and there's a lot of things that you can do outside and you don't have to be in huge crowds of people. I'm low-key jealous that they're going to Savannah because I want to go, but that's fine. It's totally fine. Anyways, so right now it's like 1:30 p.m. I just got out the shower, got dressed and everything, and I'm about to head out. So the plan for today is to go pick up my chandelier because I ordered a chandelier for my house and I'm so excited about it. Very Raven Elise inspired. This is really all her fault, honestly. Like, the chandelier, I saw it and I was like, I have to have something like that because that is beautiful. It matches my house perfectly. So I was on the hunt for something a little bit smaller than what she got, and I found exactly what I was looking for. It's at Home Depot, so I'm about to actually go pick it up because I ordered it online yesterday, ready for pickup today. So I'm gonna do that first to make sure I get my hands on that. Then I'm gonna be on the hunt for a birthday card and some stuff for my mom because, like I said, I thought that we were going to be, turning up next week. I was gonna either go out tomorrow or over the weekend to get her some things, and now it has to happen today. So I'm gonna go grab her a birthday card, grab her some balloons. She's been talking about balloons and getting herself balloons. I'm like, sis, let me just get you some balloons. She doesn't even know I'm doing this, but I'm like, let me just get her some balloons for her birthday, right? Because it's her birthday. Hello. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna get her. I'm thinking Bath and Body Works. I'm thinking a candle. I'm thinking about a bunch of different things, but I'm going to find something to pick up for her. So we're just gonna, go on this journey together. All right, mommy, I know you're watching this. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Have y'all seen that TikTok? Oh my gosh. Where would I be without my mom, you guys? She is like my rock. She helps me with so many things, especially with Smudge and everything. So everyone in the comments, tell my mom happy birthday. Please and thanks, okay? It is greatly appreciated. Your girl would not be here without her. So make sure you tell her happy birthday in the comments, and let's go ahead and get out of here. Actually, I think I want to make me some tea, but I don't know because I don't think I have any clean tumblers right now, which is so annoying. Maybe we'll skip the tea for today, even though that might be a really bad idea because I'll be needing my tea, but we're just gonna go, okay? It is so cold outside. What the heck? But I'm like, dang, let me be grateful because it's 27 degrees outside where I'm at, and I'm just looking at people in Texas right now like 3 degrees, 8 degrees, ice storm, no power, no heat. Let me just be grateful for where I am in life right now, okay? Like, I don't know, but it's cold, and I have my big jacket in the back because I'm gonna put that on, but it's just hard for me to like drive with all that stuff on. So I just have on my jean jacket right now, but I just got some gas. So I'm about to head to Home Depot now so that I can get this chandelier. Hopefully it is, gonna fit in my car. I think it should fit either in my trunk or in my back seat. I live out of my car. You know how you gotta have emergency stuff in your car, so I got emergency outfits and shoes and all kind of stuff in my trunk. So I basically have like another closet in there. and it's kind of a lot. So I'm like, yeah, hopefully this chandelier is gonna fit in my car, but we are about to find out. I am so close to Home Depot, so it's not gonna take me long to get there, but I just needed to come back in the car, turn the heat back on because it is cold. Your girl is freezing. Y'all, I got it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, yes. All right, y'all, so it is 2:47. I'm just now getting to my tea. Oh my god, and it's still hot. Okay, so I was able to get my mom some really nice stuff from Bath and Body Works, and I just got her a card from Dollar Tree and a bag for her present. I was gonna recycle this bag from Valentine's Day, but I'm like, I found a cuter bag in Dollar Tree, so I got her a new bag. I wanted to get her some balloons because she's been talking about these balloons like all day, because she was gonna go buy herself some balloons. I'm like, why is my mom buying herself balloons on her birthday? Like, what? So I want to get her some balloons, but Dollar Tree literally was sold out of balloons, because I was just like, I forgot they even had balloons in Dollar Tree. And when I was in there, I was like, oh shoot, they have balloons. I can go ahead and get some while I'm in here. Y'all, I get up to the front and I asked her, like, can I get some help with the balloons? And she's like, oh yeah, which ones do you want? And then she proceeds to then say, oh, we don't have any of the balloons in stock, except for the ones that are already blown up. Y'all, they had congratulations balloons blown up. They had little stars and just like solid star balloons. And I'm like, why would you ask me which ones I want when you have none of them in stock? Like, not even one single style in stock, except for these like solid balloons that have no words on them. I'm confused. I am confusion, okay? Why did she ask me? Why did she ask? The lighting in here is so bad. Anyways, so I am going to go to Party City or something, I guess. I don't know. I need to figure it out because I need to get my mom some balloons. I'm actually about to FaceTime her though, so that I can see what she's doing, where she's at, because she might have bought her own balloons already, because this girl is literally on a mission. So let's see what she says.
Hey, Kori!
Hey! Oh, you getting your cake or whatever?
How was you doing?
Oh, I just picked up my chandelier or whatever.
Crazy.
What?
You picked it up? You like it?
I ordered it and I got to pick it up. It was buy online, pick up in store.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
I bought it or whatever. How's your day going?
Oh, well, actually. I'm getting ready to go to the car to put the stuff in the car. So what you getting ready to do?
I don't know. That's why I'm calling you.
Oh, well, I'm getting ready to head down to the hotel.
Oh, well, I'll head down to the hotel then.
Okay.
I'm hungry. I want to eat. I'm starving.
All right, so I'll call you when I get in the car.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna assemble my mom's gift. Maybe I'll just forget about the balloons. Dollar Tree should have came through for us with the balloons. All right, I just assembled her gift, so it's right there. And I'm about to hit the road now. It's about a 30-minute drive. Oh gosh, this weather. Yeah, it's gonna be a 30-minute drive, which is honestly like not bad. And then yeah, we're gonna celebrate. I'll see you guys there. She's all excited or whatever. We're going to Party City, so we're together now. What? Sushi? I don't know. You want to see? Yeah. Oh, which one do you go in? You can have whatever you want today and any day, okay? Period. Period. This looks very much wiped out, whatever that is.
No more.
You ain't got no more.
You got no more?
No. All right, quick little room tour. So this is their hotel room, super cute. We just got back here, so we're about to set up my mom's cakes and everything, which is gonna be really cute. And we're just waiting for my dad to get out here, and my aunts are coming, so it's gonna be lit. Oh, I wanna eat this. Look at my mama.
Super, super cute.
Okay. Okay. Y'all see what her shirt say? Oops.
Here I go.
Oops.
Okay, now you get on here and say something. I'll be like, nah.
You can't. What you talking about?
Then when she be on there like, ooh, I be like, ah. Oh yeah, no.
Yes, you do. You be on the vlog or whatever. Y'all tell my mama happy birthday. They all gonna tell you.
Y'all tell my mama happy birthday.
They all gonna tell you in the comments.
Oh.
They're gonna tell you in the comments of the video.
Okay. Thank y'all.
She's so crazy. She's so crazy. They are. They're gonna tell you in the comments. She manages all of my chaos. Thank you for managing all my chaos, ma'am. The strawberry.
What cookies and shit? She done made up a flavor. What cookies and shit?
What's happening? I just want to know.
She gonna walk.
Your candles is lit. Oh, let me get it for the vlog. Okay. Oh.
Come downstairs. Y'all ready?
5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Oh, happy birthday to you. You're how old? I was just copying off of your balloon over here. Your balloon says you're how old? You're how old, lady? Oh.
Like Martin.
You doing a little twerk or something?
You ready for mom or no?
Are you making a wish?
Mom or no? Yay!
Woo! Woohoo! Oh, that's a big old piece, girl.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Ooh, that cake look good.
I know, I'll take it.
Oh, well, no, that first piece ain't mine now.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
That's too big.
That's your piece.
Yes, your father.
Your piece supposed to be first.
No big piece.
Here we all go.
Yeah, here y'all all go.
We're just gonna take Which piece we gonna take? We just gonna take the piece that comes our way.
Yes, we are.
Look, we're all leaving. I'm out of here.
Get naked.
Cause you said you about to get lit, so bye. See you next week. What? Bye. 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 Bye.